How to use an isometric bathroom stamp brush set and fill the colors. I have created a lot of isometric bathroom stamp brush set. This video will show you how to use them. Drawing with me daily will help you to create this isometric bathroom. Okay, I added the block and then a top. And next I sink with mirror. And next a toilet. Now I'm arranging them. Next I'm adding a shower, then a rock, okay, and now I'm filling the colors. Start with the top. I will use a pink tone. I added the windows and filling the color for the blind. And next I put the woman in the top and I'm going to add the bubble for her. Here I'm adding the bubbles. Next, we will add the color for the floor. I will also put the pattern for the floor and then I will add the color to the wall next. Adding a man and he is shaving. It's done.